Greetings to my fellow family and friends. I just want to let you guys know that I was diagnosed positive with the corona. I was diagnosed positive with the corona for many days now. I try everything that they said I'm to try. Everything. I do garlic and ginger, fever grass, turmeric, and all of those. And I can tell her that in the morning when I wake up sometime I feel good. But then after I felt so bad. I don't know what else I take. So many things I take. And my head would hurt non-stop. I done plenty Tylenol, what they said. My doctor called me in to come in. I was in the hospital for about 5 hours. They did X-ray on my stomach, blood tests, urine tests. They do so many tests and everything was okay with me. So they said, okay, I can go home. They give me medication and I come home back. My belly hurt. As I start to eat, my belly hurt. I want to throw up, but when I go to throw up, all come up is just a little water and nothing more. I drink so much water, but when I go to pee, I just have a little bit of pee. I don't pee nothing much. It's so bad that, I just don't know. When I try to talk, my head hurts so bad. My head hurt for days. But luckily, my uncle, ransom, Errol Cunningham, God bless him, he called me, because we always communicate, but we hasn't spoke for a long while. And he just called me out of the blues and said, hey, it's been a while since I don't talk to you, what's going on? I told him what's going on. The man said, man, just get eucalyptus oil. Yeah? Eucalyptus oil. That's what he said. Get eucalyptus oil and peppermint. Yeah? Peppermint and eucalyptus oil. And boil some water and steam your face. And I can tell her, bro, I did that. Here's my bath pan right here. Right? This is my bath pan right here. And this is the way I do it. Right? I make sure I have the towel over my head. Like this, and I go down. And I steam. I steam for a couple minutes. I steam, water dropping off my face. As you can, I don't know if you can notice right now, my face is wet. It's water dropping from my face. And I did that. And I can tell you that within less than 10 minutes, my head stopped hurting me. My belly stopped hurting me. All my pain go away within less than 10 minutes. I don't know the exact time, but I know it was less than 10 minutes. All the pain went away. This morning I wake up, I can feel the difference of me this morning. I could be able to go into my kitchen because I haven't eaten nothing much for over a week now. I've been just tasting things. I could be able to go in my kitchen this morning and I have a nice pot of vegetable soup that I'm making right now. You know, God is good. I didn't believe I would sit here this morning with this strength. I couldn't believe the eucalyptus oil and peppermint give me this strength. I have been in my bed for days. All I do is just sleep, get up, go to the bathroom, come back in bed. I mean, it's not easy. All I can say to you, brethren and friends, if anything come like this to you, just try keep the eucalyptus oil and peppermint home and steam yourself with it. For me, it work. All the garlic, turmeric, ginger I use with fever grass. I drink so much of it. I steam with it so many times. I steam with salt and hot water so much time. None of that work. When I tell her this turmeric, this peppermint and eucalyptus oil reach to my brain, go to my whole system. When I'm steaming, water just dropping off at me like that. Have a blessed one. Thank you to listen to what I have to say to you guys. God bless.